Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm playing a 2006 Gibson Firebird 7 through an orange AD30, and we're checking out the Subdecay Starlight Flanger. It's pretty crazy. Let's check it out. You know, I've never really found a flanger that I liked before this one. I found all of them just feeling too sort of synthetic sounding, and they just didn't have any of the qualities I really wanted. This pedal has a lot of the standard things that you'll see. It has a speed knob to adjust the speed of the modulation that's going on. It has a manual knob which essentially adjusts a small amount of delay that is built into the pedal for you to use. There's also the regen knob, which changes the intensity, and up here in the middle you've got the depth, which is pretty standard. Now, the thing that really makes this pedal amazing is all of the different shapes of the modulation you can have. You can have a very smooth round wave, you can have a triangular wave, you can have a bunch of different options in stepping waves, so it's more like a square to the wave. One of those is actually a random setting in the steps. So there's a million things that you can play with here. The nice thing about that is whether you're using it for adding some texture to some finger picking parts, or you want to make some noise in the background, or you want to have some really prominent noise, this pedal is really going to accomplish all of that. Another just wonderful thing that it has is inside the back there are two trim pots that can adjust the intensity of the manual knob, which is the delay, and it can adjust the intensity of the regen amount. So there's even more ability to adjust it than comes on the front of the pedal. So regardless of what type of flanger you're looking for, this is probably the flanger that you really need. So good luck. Come on over to guitarchimp.com and pick one up. Check out all the other stuff we have.
Okay?
Yeah, did I hit you in the face?